So we're gonna do an unboxing video, and we're gonna try these new gummies, that like the peel ones, you know. So we're gonna try those. So let's do the peel gummies first. So those are the gummies. Yeah. So which one do you want to try first? So there's a pumpkin one, a mummy, and then there's a Frankenstein. Yeah. Ooh, that smells really good. See, maybe you guys. They smell like all kinds of fruit. Well, it is actually like fruit. The fruit gummies. So first,
I'm gonna make sure I every gummy I get in here. That's the one we're gonna eat first. The pumpkin! So you have to peel them. You have to like peel them. I don't know how to do this. Does any of you know how to do this? Like, if you know how to do this, please comment how you do it.
What the heck? We're gonna be here for like 10 hours.
I know. Oh, when you bite into it, like, it's good. I don't know, like, girl, I do like it and don't at the same time. Girl, don't put it in my ear, girl. I didn't even try it yet. I'm not using this. Do you like it?
That is good. Kind of good. Probably like a 6 out of 10. Yeah, 6 out of 10. How did I do that, dude? I literally looked away. I rate that like definitely better than pumpkin. I rate it like a 7 out of 10. 8. That's an 8.
It's an 8 out of 10. Would you rate that one? That's good. I rate that like an 8.
Girl. Okay. Now we're gonna start the unboxing.
So she already said unscented. So
What she smells? That actually smells. Oh my god. This is mine. I got a big version. Yeah, she got the big version. Yeah, I love this. I got the small version. Yes. I'm like my card. I'm going to show my stepmom.
girl, it slays.
Going to show with the box. Little hairbrush, cutesies. The doll. So you make your own lip gloss. These are the set lip gloss container. I have this. So this is about the Yummyland dolls. So first, they look like this. The shoes can come off. Outfits you can take on and off. The head pops off, but you kind of don't want it to, because this is my scent. This is my color. But you don't know me and her, and then my mom and her dad. So my stepdad, and my mom is her stepmom. So there's 4, and we're all family. So I call it 4 family. That's why. Well, I actually called it 4 family. My first video, don't worry, that was back in like 2025. That was when. You know it is 2025? No. Well, first you gotta put the color. First you have to put the color in. And she has like soft hair actually. She has rainbow hair. And it's slays, girl. Slay. Then after you put the color in, you gotta mix it. We're gonna put her by my lines of these. But Savannah got this one, I got the rainbow one. And we do have other ones, so we can show you guys. Oh yeah. That's mine. Mine are at my Most of them are mine. Yeah, that one's mine too. This nice boba one. If you like boba, that's like perfect. I'll be right back. I need to ask for some help. So sorry guys, we just don't know how to use the lip glosses. So we're gonna be back like not 2, maybe a little more less, maybe like a minute.